Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding the element's atomic number. That number equals the total electrons. Once done, scan the periodic table for period and block to determine shell labels. Start filling from lowest energy. Ones then twos. Make sure to follow off-bow order to avoid mistakes. You'll assign electrons into subshells using capacities. S equals 2, P equals 6, D equals 10, F equals 14. This immediate orientation gets you writing configurations rather than guessing, so move to filling next. You now allocate electrons across subshells step by step, obeying off-bow order. Place electrons into ones, then twos, then 2p, and so on. Remember Pauli exclusion, at most 2 electrons per orbital with opposite spins. Also use Hund's rule, half-fill degenerate orbitals singly before pairing, because that minimizes repulsion. If you reach a D or F block, pause and confirm preceding S electrons. They can affect energy ordering. Keep a running tally to ensure your total matches the atomic. You finish by summing electrons and then convert to noble gas shorthand to simplify. Place the nearest noble gas in brackets and continue from there. Make sure the total electron count equals the atomic number. If not, recheck subshell capacities and Hund pairing. For transition metals, remember exceptions like chromium and copper. Use observed configurations rather than strict off-bow when needed. If something's off, remove one s electron and rearrange d electrons. That common tweak resolves most miscounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.